Okay, so guys, we're currently going to World Trade Center for the Music Expo 2026, and I'm with James. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Alright, so we're currently in the bus right now, but this ride's about to be quick as hell, cause actually I don't know, cause traffic, you know what I'm saying? Gotta believe that, bro. I'll see you guys when I get there. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. So guys, nandito nga tayo sa Music Expo and mag-scan pa kami ng QR code, so samahan nyo kami. Let's go! So guys, nakapasok na kami. And look at the wristbands. Look at the wristbands. We about to interview some celebrities in a bit or some artists. Maghanap lang kami. Balita ko nito si Miss Akila. Pero I don't know. Let's check this out. So guys, we haven't really found anyone yet. May nakita kami isa pero kalimutan ko pangalan niya. So guys, it's currently 3:55 p.m. and so far nakapag-try na kami ng Fender. Ay, ako pala. Hindi naman marunong mag-gitara to. Pero nakapag-try na kami ng Fender, all sorts of brands, and ang sarap talaga gamitin ng mga Fender. You know what I'm saying? Ang lupit, no?
Oo, ang smooth ng sound niya.
Siya kahit wala naman siya alam sa ganyan, nalulupitan siya. Pero hindi pa namin naiikot lahat. Actually, naiikot na namin lahat. Hindi pa namin napuntahan yung bawat booth kasi yung ibang booth wala naman kami alam eh. But ngayon nag-order kami ng takoyaki.
Mostly kasi lahat ng mga booths dito, like parang
Ang mga pricey.
Oo, tsaka mga gamit para sa mga stage. Wala naman kaming alam sa mga ganon. Halos gitara lang talaga sila.
Basta nakapag-try ako ng hindi ko alam kung Jaco Pastorius signature yung bass na yun eh. Naka Sunburst pa. Tapos yung Jimi Hendrix na off-white or sail ba yun yung kulay nun. Ang ganda kasi reversed yung head niya, head stuff.
Pangkaliwede yata yun.
Oo. May ganun din si Blaster pero Sunburst. Ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda talaga din sa Music Expo. Babalik talaga ako dito next year. So guys, dumating na yung dalawang camera niya gamit ko eh.
Hindi ako sanay lang.
Ang lupit talaga dito. Smiger, Joyo, ayun o.
Oh. Tayo dito, pre.
Ang pambili lang namin pagkain eh.
Ang weird nung feel niya.
Okay guys, so quick story. Habang nag-jump kami ni Ronya, may lumapit sa amin na musician din. And alam niyo yung mga tinutugtog namin such as Na Naman by Four of Spades and Sentimental. I'll post this soon sa socials contacts. So after nun, naggutom kami and nagpunta kami mga after. What up y'all? Namatay na yung mic na low-bat na. But anyway, dito kami sa...
Don't worry, babe, it's on me.
Anyway, get as much donuts as you
Get
want.
as much done as you want, babe.
Anyway, naghanap pa rin kami, si James. Nagpaiwan sa baba. Oh, good luck na lang sa'yo, James, kung makauwi ka pa.
Di ka naman namin iniwan.
Di ka naman kawalan eh.
James, it was a joke. We didn't really mean it. I'm sorry.
Kuya Milji. Naghanap talaga kami ng kainan. Yeah. Guys, you like the shake from the other vlog?
Guys, dasal ka, dasal. First time ko dito, ako okay to eh.
Dito kami kumain ng birthday ni James. Wala ito ng gravy. Alright, so guys, tapos na kami kumain. Sorry, walang mic. Ang pangit kasi. Hindi ko charge eh. No? Hindi ko charge yung mic man.
Okay, so after we ate, we just went to the DJI store, and after that, we called it a day. So I hope you guys like this one. See you in the next video.